Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails, and today I'm going to be sharing this beautiful limited edition Beautybigbang nail stamping kit. It comes in a really pretty box, and when you uncover it, they included a pamphlet that has lots of products listed that they have on their website, including makeup and beauty products, as well as glitters and nail polishes, which I have already shared lots of them here on my channel. They also have nail tools available in their website. As always, you can find them at beautybigbang.com, and on Instagram it's at beautybigbangs, and their Facebook page is beautybigbang.com. The nail stamping kit that they sent me includes a holographic nail stamping plate holder. Comes in a really pretty bag with a purple bow, and the tag has the Beautybigbang logo on it. You can see how beautiful it is and how colorful it looks. It feels really good quality. Let's look inside. You can store up to 20 plates, one on each side of the sleeve. So it has an opening on this side and it has an opening on the other side too. They have their business card, beautybigbang.com. And with the stamper, which is a clear stamper, they also included a scraper card, which is very flexible and thin. The stamper is completely clear, it's open in the bottom, and it's very squishy, which is really good. And here are the stamping plates. Let's take them all out. The sleeves are beautiful. They have different sleeves. Each plate comes with a different sleeve. You get 8 round stamping plates and 6 of the square ones. Let's take a closer look at each plate. 011, 012, 013, 014, 015, 016, 017, 018. These are the square plates. 023, 024, 025, 026, 027, and 028. All these stamping plates are so cute. Let's try putting some of them in the holder. Let's see how well they fit in here. Let's start with these. The round ones. Perfect. That looks really good. Let's try the square ones. They fit in really nicely too. Look at that. I love that you can put the round ones and the square ones too. So this is a great place to store your stamping plates. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's inside this beautiful Beautybigbang nail stamping kit. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Big thank you to Beautybigbang for this beautiful gift, and check the description box for links to these products and the Beautybigbang website. You can also use discount code Jenny010 to receive 10% off your order on beautybigbang.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!